Lifening. Deep Talk Plus, single-serve conventional food with powerful detox benefits. Your most beautiful self starts from the inside out. Your gut is the foundation for all of your body's systems. So if your gut is imbalanced or unhealthy, you will be too. Deep Talk Plus restores your gut while providing powerful detox benefits in convenient single-serve packaging. As a result, you'll feel more like yourself, only better and more energized. Key ingredients: psyllium husk, dietary fiber, softens stools and eases bowel movements. Zinc, helps with the immune system and metabolism. Lifening is powered by the healing and restorative properties of raw materials found in nature and is sourced according to RIMAN's strict, high standards. Key benefits: powerful detox benefits. Acts as a prebiotic to aid in gut health, strengthens your immune system and increases energy. Instructions: take 1 packet twice a day with at least 10 ounces of water.